abdominal and lower back muscle strength. Upper body weight bearing during this exercise also helps keep the bones in your wrists and arms strong. Begin by getting into a hands and knees position on your mat. Your hands should be directly below your shoulders, and your knees should be directly below your hips. Your back should be positioned in a neutral position as if forming a tabletop. Engage your lower abdominal muscles and elevate one arm forward and the opposite leg backward. Your thumb should be pointed up toward the ceiling. Hold this position for 5 to 10 seconds. Then return to the starting position. Repeat with the other arm and leg. Exhale as you engage your lower abdominal muscles and elevate one arm forward and the opposite leg backward. Breathe normally as you hold. Make sure you do not arch or twist your back. Your spine should stay in a neutral position. Really reach your arm and opposite leg away from each other, lengthening your spine as you reach. Keep your abdominal muscles drawing in. Don't hold your breath. Keep your neck nice and long.